Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings on your Realme phone and find SIM cards and mobile networks. Tap the SIM that handles voice calls and review the network options. Look for Wi-Fi calling or VO Wi-Fi and toggle it on to enable the feature. If an option appears to prefer Wi-Fi for calls, choose that setting so calls use Wi-Fi when available. Make sure your phone runs Realme UI 4.0 or Android 12, and that your carrier supports VO Wi-Fi before continuing. Select the SIM used for voice and confirm Wi-Fi calling is active on that SIM. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network using 2, 4 GHz or 5 GHz bands depending on signal strength. Check signal quality and router distance to aim for 3 bars or better. Update the phone system and carrier settings so VO Wi-Fi configuration is current. After updates, reboot the device to apply network and SIM changes and confirm the VO Wi-Fi indicator appears in the status bar. Place a test call while the Wi-Fi calling icon shows in the status bar. Verify two-way audio quality and confirm caller ID and number display as expected. If calls fail, toggle airplane mode briefly, then re-enable Wi-Fi and cellular to refresh connections. Reset network settings if problems persist, and update carrier settings again. Remember, emergency calls may route via cellular networks, so verify location services and emergency capability before relying on Wi-Fi calling exclusively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.